Accident details entry by police investigating officer in IRAD application. Login by selecting department, then entering username and password. Click on New Accident button. Select the accident date and time and reporting date and time. Select the geolocation on the map. Please note location marked on the map should be the location of the road where the accident took place. These details are supposed to be entered by investigating officer from accident spot itself. Once the location is marked on map, application will automatically fetch the address from the map. Then select the point of interest in application. Enter the landmark name manually. Please note landmark is a building or place that is easily recognized. Then select the severity of accident. Select the number of vehicles involved in the accident followed by the number of persons and their severity. Then click on Save button. Now unique accident ID is generated by the system. Now application will ask to upload photos and videos of the accident. Photos and videos can be uploaded from camera as well as gallery. Please note photographs and videos should be uploaded in specified categories. These media files will be saved in application server and can be accessed anytime in application. Here we are clicking on Skip and continue this as it is a dummy accident entry for demonstration purpose. Now click on General Information. Select Road Classification. Then enter road street name manually. Select the local body from the drop-down. Now select the accident spot from the drop-down. Select the collision type of accident. Then select the collision nature of accident. Select weather condition at the time of accident. Select the light condition at the time of accident. Select the visibility at the location of accident. Now select the initial observation of the accident. As the accident occurred due to a traffic violation, we need to select the traffic violation. Enter the brief description of the accident. Please note the word limit is 5,000 only. Select the property damage as yes or no. If yes, we need to enter the value and description. Now investigating officer can select the remedial measures. Now click on Save button to save general information. Then click on Vehicle icon to update vehicle details. Select Vehicle category, Hit and Run status, if applicable, registration status and disposition. Select vehicle damage and accused or victim. Select vehicle type. Then select load category and load condition. Then enter vehicle registration number and click on Vahan button to fetch vehicle details from portal. All the details pertaining to vehicle will be fetched through Vahan software. There is a provision to upload owner photograph of vehicle. Now click on the next icon. Then we have to fill details of driver of the vehicle. Select the nationality of the driver. Then education of driver. Occupation of driver. Whether driver was using cell phone while driving. Severity of the driver. Type of injury. Whether seatbelt or helmet was in use or not. Drunk and drive status. Mode of hospitalization and delay in hospitalization. Now select the driving license type. Enter the license number and then click on the Sarthi icon. All details available in Sarthi portal will be fetched. If details are okay, click on Match button. If not, click on Mismatch to make manual entry. Some manual entries will be required. Rest all data will be fetched from Sarthi software. There is a provision to update driver photograph and voice recording. Click on Save button. Now vehicle and driver details are saved. Passenger, pedestrian and witness details can also be added in IRAD application. Now let's update witness details. Some basic details of witness are required and a brief note on his or her statement. This note is restricted up to 300 words only. Rest we can attach a copy of signed statement in image upload option. Voice recording of witness can also be uploaded. After filling all details, click on Save button. Now investigating officer can review the details entered. The investigating officer can send a request to concerned hospital for drunk and drive or post-mortem report. After filling and validating all the details, investigating officer can submit the case to station house officer. Once the case is submitted, the investigating officer cannot update the case details as it is moved to completed category. Now investigating officer can send a request for motor vehicle inspection to concerned officials. By selecting the RTO and its unit office, the request for accidental vehicle inspection can be generated. This request can also be downloaded in letter form. Cancellation option is also available. The investigating officer can also send a request for accident spot inspection to the concerned engineer of road owning agency.